Wow. Why do you guys wanted to wear a hat? Huh? I said we are, huh? We're going out. Ah, Chico. Sabi ko sa mga bata, lalabas kami guys. Pupunta kami ng ng mall. Bibili kami ng libro nila. Sabi ko, magmo-malling, hindi magti-trekking. I thought you're going to Mount Apo, Chico. Wow. Do you like your hat? Wow, Chico. You feel better? Wow, thank you, Ate Chay, for helping Chico with his clothes. Wow. You listen, we don't run in the KCC. We don't run in KCC.
Because the police is going to say stop.
Yes.
You not get all the things from you.
Okay, just hold hands with Chico, okay? Chico, hold hands with Calby, yeah? Okay? We don't run. You hold hands with Calby. Okay, we don't run in the KCC, okay?
Chico, we are not at KCC.
Not yet, but when we are in KCC, we walk. We don't run and we don't shout, okay? And what are we buying only? We are buying only what?
Mom.
Books?
Books only.
Maybe and Play-Doh. Huh?
Yes, Play-Doh.
And
But
Chico
Mommy,
also?
Mom,
Yes?
I miss my Papa to buy the rectangle book so much when we went to the playroom. We found that some big boys are going to meet us.
Alright, don't worry.
My friend.
Maybe we can get you guys only one Play-Doh and one book. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Chico, one Play-Doh and one book. Is that okay? Alright.
Mama, I want a shape so we can play the Play-Doh
Ah.
to make something.
I said only one book and one Play-Doh. You have a lot of shapes already at home. Can you do that? Okay. Sabot daan, guys. Mag-usap muna kami. Dapat mag-agree kami muna kung anong kunin nila sa KCC. Baka mamaya, mag-over the basket naman. Mag-awas-awas. Mahirap na. And then for Mayumi, what are we getting? A ribbon for her?
Yeah.
Hair. A ribbon for her. Mabuti na yung meron tayong agreement. Kung mamaya, mabudol na naman tayo ng bunggahan. At least iba kasi pag naka-mindset na hindi lang mindset para sa akin, mindset din yung mga anak ko habang pa bata. Ano pa lang sila guys, 2 years old tsaka 4 years old naka-mindset na. Uy, traffic na pala. Ayun. Time check natin, alas 9 na ba? Yan natin ang oras. Ayan. Oh, tamang-tama, 9:35. At ngayon daw na araw guys ay sobrang init dito sa Jensan at sa ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas. So kailangan drink more water. Ayun. Dapat maka 8 gallons, 8 liters, ay 8 glasses pala. Hindi 8 gallon at saka 8 liters. Grabe naman. Malulunod na tayo sa tubig. Pero yun nga guys, dapat ingat talaga tayo ngayon dahil sobrang init. Bagting na bagting ang init guys. Basang-basa na yung ilok natin ang aga pa ng umaga. Ayun na sila. Hi. Hi, Harabaji. Harabaji. Harabaji.
I'm not a baby.
Oh, sorry. But this hat doesn't fit you anymore. Look. It cannot even go inside your head. How come? I bought this one for you, but look. It doesn't fit you anymore.
Maybe I need a bigger one.
You're right. You're very smart. Then mommy will go and get you a bigger one when I get time, okay? My babies. Oy. My babies.
Mom,
Oy.
I want soda.
Ay, soda is not healthy. You are allergic to soda, remember? Grabe naman si Chico, guys. Oh, feel na feel niya ang kanyang day off.
Mom, look, Ninja Kids.
Ninja Kids. Chico, are you having fun there? Can you show me a thumbs up if you're okay? Thumbs up. Very good. Oh, inayos niya pa ang kamay niya. Wait. And then this. Very good. Okay, cheers na lang. Cheers. Ong, 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 ong. Ay, sorry. Don't be angry. I'm just playing with your brother. Okay?
I'm not angry.
Mommy, why mommy is white and why you are brown? Why you ask something like that?
God, I ran the bay, Papa John.
Nagulat ako isang araw, guys. Nagising ako and then may tinanong sa akin si Calvi. I remember Kahil when he was the same age, he asked me exactly the same question. So, eto na yung point ng buhay ng aking mga anak na nagtatanong na sila ng kaibahan namin. So, dapat dito talaga maayos tayong mag-explain. So, one day, sabi ni Calvi sa akin, Ma'am, and then guys, there goes the golden question. Sabi niya, why is my skin black? And why is your skin white? Yun ang sabi sa akin ni Calvi. Right, anak? You asked me? And what did mommy say when you asked me that question?
Green.
Because your daddy is what?
Brown.
Your daddy is brown. And then mommy is?
White.
So if you mix them together, they become?
Brown.
Yay! So in-explain ko kay Calvi talaga, guys. Siyempre, kahit ganyan.
Gray.
Gray?
Yes.
We cannot be gray, only brown.
White and brown mixes gray.
So, in-explain ko talaga ng maayos. I remember Kahil, nung nagtanong siya, alam nyo guys, iniisip natin, 4 years old pa lang yan, hindi pa naiintindihan. Merong mga tanong na hindi nila naiintindihan. Merong tanong na kaya naman nila, carry bells. So, eto, sinagot ko naman siya ng maayos, na yung tatay niya ay brown. And then, yung akin is medyo light, hindi naman puti guys. Pero, pag na-mix yun, yan na yung kulay at saka maganda. Sabi ko sa kanya, your skin is very beautiful. And you, as long as you are a good boy and you are good to other people, it doesn't matter. Dahan-dahanin lang natin guys. Huwag naman natin biglain. But this skin is really, really nice. You see? Wow! I love your skin. It's very nice. Like a chocolate. Right? Right?
I'm not chocolate.
Alright, we are almost in KCC. Are you ready? Chico? Are you ready? May mga bag pa yan sila. What is in your bag, Chico? What did you pack?
I'm so bored. I'll play with my papa.
Oh, we are in KCC now. No need to open your bag. Oh, nasira yung zipper ni Calvi. Hindi na natin napaayos. Ayan, guys. Nilagyan na lang natin ng sibit. Alpiler. Paayos lang natin yan sa palengke, anak. Huwag kang mag-alala. Maka-afford pa tayo ng pagpapaayos. Antay lang ng konti, anak, ha?
Mommy, my bag.
Uy, what? Did you pack a toy?
Yeah.
Wow, nag-pack siya ng ano, guys. Damit at saka laruan. How about Chico? What did you pack for your bag? Diaper and toys also? Show me what's in your bag. Ayan. Mag-ano tayo? Bag raid. Show me what's in your bag. Here, here. Yung kanilang Paw Patrol fever, hindi pa rin natatapos. Okay, you have clothes. What else?
I pack for him clothes.
Thank you, Bobby. What else did you pack? Wow! kaya pala mabigat yung bag niya. What's ang kapal ng libro. Wala na, guys. Wow, Chico. You're very smart. Kaya pala ang bigat ng bag niya. Sabi ko, ba't parang kapal ng bag ng anak ko? Yun pala libro. Buti na lang, hindi encyclopedia guys. Storybook lang. Almost. O, pack your bags na. Because we are going. Can the bag stay in the car? Okay.
Yeah, in my baby doll.
In a puppy world, Barbie. So next kay Ate Chay kasi nandito na kami sa floor kung saan kami nag-parking. Nagdiretso na lang kami dito. After mga bata na sila for the books. So yung binili natin kay Ate Chay na cellphone guys ay yung ano lang, basic lang. Bali Tecno lang siya. As long as connected lang si Ate Chay sa kanyang parents, sa kanyang mama at papa. Kasi baka mamaya nag-worry na yung mama at papa ni Ate Chay kung kamusta na siya. Baka isipin ng mama at papa ni Ate Chay hindi siya nakakakain ng 1 linggo. Baka isipin nila si Ate Chay ay ano na guys. I said we pay first. Give it to mama. I give it to Calvi. Give it to me. I'll give it to Calvi. What did you get for the second egg? Not yet. Grabe guys, parang war zone. Hindi pa kami nag 5 minutes. Grabe, nag-ano na si Chico. Nag-alboroto na si Chico guys. Sobrang moody talaga si Chico. Ang pinakamahirap isama kapag nasa mall. As in, parang mag-give up ako guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang talaga. Imagine, 3 na yung apat yung anak ko pero para mag-give up pa ako. Sobrang hirap. Ngayon medyo nagkalma na siya. So nabili ko lang, instead na gusto pa sana naming mamasyal pa konti-konti, ang nabili lang namin isang libro, diretso, tsaka isang Play-Doh. Labas kami agad. So nandito na kami ngayon sa Jollibee nakaupo dahil syempre titreat ko yung mga bata paminsan-minsan. Hindi ko sila sinasanay pero paminsan-minsan. Kasi iba pa din talaga yung power ni Jollibee. Ewan ko ba? Pero pag si Jollibee, bida talaga ang saya guys. Bida ang saya na basa yung kilikili dahil ang hirap. Sobrang hirap. Nakaupo na sila ngayon, naglalaro ng kanilang mga eggs. Tamang-tama, nag-sale yung laruan guys. 4 na itlog, 100 lang. So, para sa aking mental peace at para sa aking ano guys, para hindi ako mabaliw, binilan ko sila ng itlog. Aminin natin mga nanay, no? Paminsan-minsan kailangan natin talaga ng total break at total. Sabihin niyo, perfect akong nanay, hindi ko sila binibilhan. Ngayon, binibilhan ko sila. Ha? Thank you. Here on the others, it won't fit on my big finger.
Mommy.
Yes.
You can put it on because you are about to.
Thank you. But this is a power ring.
You can put.
Thank you, Chico. How about for Auntie? What did you buy for Auntie, Chico?
This ball for her.
For her. You left her. Oh, so many rings. Power Ranger. Tanggal pa ng sombrero. Ay, nako. Sobra. Okay, I got for you French fries, Chico. Yes. I like French fries. Sana all, malamig na ang ulo. What's that?
Sabadong.
And Chico, what do you have? Wow!
Eternity later.
Alright guys, sa wakas at natapos din ang aming 1 hour na bonding time. Dapat 1 hour and a half. Ay, grabe talaga. Kita nyo si Chico, sobrang clingy. Bakit si Chico mas clingy sa lahat guys? Dahil si Chico ay breastfed. 1 taon, kaya lagi niyang hinahanap yung aking balat at saka yung aking amoy, sana all. Si Calby kasi hindi ko siya na breastfed eh. Laking lola yan eh. Ayan o. Calby, what did you get? Can you show everyone your book? Little Red Riding Hood.
Riding Hood.
Do you like your book?
Yeah.
And what?
But it's much scary. Let me show you something.
Don't worry, I'm going to make it not scary for you. Where's your Play-Doh?
Let me show you. Wait, let me show you something. My Play-Doh.
And you? Where's your Play-Doh?
Here. My
Wow. What are you going to make with your Play-Doh? Snake.
Look, it open the mouth.
Let me see.
Mom, look, it's open his mouth.
Uh-oh.
Eat him now.
The wolf is pretending that he is the Lola. He is the grandmother.
But it doesn't seem so because it's saying that.
Yeah, he said, oh, Grandma, what big eyes you have. And the grandma said, better to see you with, my dear. "Uh-oh, the wolf is lying." Then the Little Red Riding Hood said, "Oh, Grandma, what sharp teeth you have." "Better to eat you with, my dear." "What? Ah, you're not my grandma. You're a wolf." It's a funny story. Ay. Grabe talaga. So pagpasok namin kanina sa mall, okay pa guys. Pero pagbaba namin doon yung sa parang children kingdom na mga laruan, mga libro, mga Crayola and everything. Halos hindi ko na talaga kayanin si Chico. Ang aga pa naming binulabog ang KCC. Sa lahat po na nakarinig sa amin dyan sa KCC guys, pasensyahan nyo na. Ayan, kita nyo. Parang wala lang sa kanya ang nangyari guys. Pagkatapos mo akong ipahiya. Ha? Ay, sorry. Ayan. Naglalambing na si Chico. Si Chico kasi guys, very ano siya. Ito yung kanyang terrible stage. Ito yung tinatawag nilang terrible twos. Right, Calby? So ngayon, pabalik na kami ng bahay kasi sabi ko kay auntie, babalik ko din sila agad. Sasama ko lang sila ng 1 oras para makabili sila ng libro at saka laruan. Yung laruan nila ngayon ay Play-Doh. Si Calby, then where's your Play-Doh, anak? Can you show them your Play-Doh? Behind, oh yeah, it's there. Here. Ayan, ang Play-Doh nila. Para gagawa, what are you going to build with your Play-Doh first?
A bed.
A bed? A what?
A bed.
A bird.
Yes.
Ah, kala ko a bed and then a bad. Bird pala.
A bed.
So pagkatapos ko silang ihatid guys, ako ay babalik na para magtrabaho ngayong araw. At ako ay magbebenta-benta pa. Okay lang naman kasi half day lang yung aking trabaho ngayon. At least ito at okay na yung mga bata nakapag-spend time kami konti. Yan. Yung oras namin mga 50% sigawan, 10% lambingan. Ay, nako. Ayan o. Sobrang inosente. Parang hindi marunong magsigaw sa ano. Ha? What's that? A ring? Wow. Hi, Mayumi-san. Hi, Mayumi. Kagat naglamok di ay. Si Paon ng lamok di. Si Paon ni Mami ng lamok. Ha? Ay. Hello, Yumi. Mayumi. Make wave. Make wave. Alright guys, sobrang productive naman ang araw natin ngayon at nailabas natin ang aking mga kulot. Sana ay nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming araw kasama si Kulit-Kulot, si Calby, ayan, at saka si Chico. Alam nyo guys, si Chico talagang sinusubok niya yung pasensya ko, pero mahal na mahal natin yung ating Chico na yan. Sadya lang talagang sobrang clingy siya sa akin, pero okay lang, hindi naman sila forever magiging clingy. Ayun. So ayun guys, maraming salamat once again sa pagsuporta po sa mga video namin at kwento-kwento namin ng aking mga kulit-kulot. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng natutuwa, lahat ng mga nai-inspire, at syempre sa lahat po ng mga patuloy na nanonood at hindi nag-i-skip ng aming mga video at kwento-kwento. Ayun, maraming salamat you guys. And ngayon ay Biyernes, syempre movie time ng mga bata, pero dahil itatry ko ngayon na makapagbenta sa gabi, baka meron ako mga customer na gabi lang sila bakante. Ako'y magbibenta-benta hanggang ngayong gabi. Tumawag ako kay Auntie Christine na malilate ako ng uwi. Pero at least okay lang. At least alam ko na nasa maayos na kamay yung aking mga anak. Ayan. Kagabi nga kami ni Auntie ay nagpa-manicure, pedicure. Ayan. Kaya si Auntie ngayon ay gandang-ganda ang kanyang kuko. At syempre nakapag-relax siya. Maganda yung feeling no, na nakaupo at nagpapa-manicure, pedicure. Lalong-lalo na kay Auntie. Kaya yun yung aking binibigay sa kanya as a way of relaxation. Isa din yan. Maliban dun sa kanyang pamamalengke at pag-uukay-ukay mag-isa. Ayan. Saka sa mga maraming judgmental dyan na mayat si Auntie o nalulungkot si Auntie, guys, malalaman nyo naman eh. Kasi sabi ko kay Auntie is, may karapatan si Auntie. Kung by the time na magdesisyon siya na umalis or magstay, nasa kanya yan. Desisyon ni auntie na sumama dito, may desisyon po siya kung ayaw niya dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya wag naman sana tayong masyadong judgmental, lalong-lalo niya na hindi nyo naman nakikita yung mga negative na iniisip ninyo o ina-assume ninyo. Ayun. Kung ano man yung pagsasamahan namin ni Auntie Christine, malaki yung respeto namin sa isa't isa, goods kami doon. Huwag tayong mag-assume ng something in between. Basta ako, malaki yung tiwala ko kay Auntie pagdating sa aking mga anak, sa aking bahay, sa aking mga ari-arian. Ari-arian, ano yun? Parang sobrang yaman ha. Anyway, malaki yung tiwala ko kay Auntie at alam ni Auntie yung aking mga sacrifices, alam ni Auntie yung aking buhay as nanay ng mga anak ko. Kaya dun, I am at peace with that. At kahit na anong i-assume nyo guys, wala po akong wala po akong masamang loob dyan kasi alam ko sa sarili ko yung aking intensyon. Alam ni Auntie yung intensyon niya kung bakit nandito siya. Alam ko din yung aking mga ginagawa para kay Auntie. Ayan. So once and for all, love lang tayo guys. Maraming salamat. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-like, subscribe, syempre please do support our kwento-kwento ng aking buhay as single nanay sa aking 4 na kulot, half African, half Filipino children. And of course guys, we'll see you on our next episode. Much love from the Higas.